When they appeared in front of Brahma, Devdevi's Mata, Dharitri Mata, at that time they saw Muni and Rishi there, and there they are reading the Ved, and they create the ecosystems, eco of Veds, Dhoni. And they saw there are different kinds of Yogodhum, and there are different kinds of Muni Rishi who are sitting there, surrounded Yogodhumi. Yogodhumai Samakirnang, Yogodhumai Samakirnang, Muni Madhya Ni Sevitang, Yogodhumai Samakirnang, Muni Madhya Ni Sevitang, Suvarnam Vedika Madhye Dakhina Vartam Ujjalam, Yogodhumai Samakirnang. This are there are Yogodhum, and there are different kinds of Maharshi, and there are Suvarna Vedika, and the sign there, and that signs comes out from the Suvarna Vedika, and there are the air who blowing from the Dakhin for this reason that are Dakhinavarta, and Dakhinavarta air is blowing, and there are different kinds of trees and different kinds of fruits, and all that fruits and all the trees are on the trees. And there are the Yogo, Jupakasto there, and they saw the Hongso and Saros there. Hongso and Saros. They saw that Hongso and Saros on the Sarovar. They're wandering here and there, and arise the sweet sound from their mouth. They saw that. And they saw Brikha, and they saw Boining Danohu, Boining Jupanki Danohu, Bono Puspa Falanitam, Sarovi, Sarasai Hamsoira, Ava Antamevatitim. They saw the Hamsa and Saros on the Sarovar, and they are create the sweet sound there, and then they saw Bau Lulu Lota Jalohu.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
They saw Bau Lulu Lota Jalohu Usumali Kulakuloi. Bau Lulu Lota Jalohu Usumali Kulakuloi. Pranama Ahvan Satkaro Mudu Rala Horikhinoi. Bau Lota Jalohu. They saw the air there, and they saw there are birds there, all the birds on the trees, and they are swimming. They are dolaitu on the air, and they are alubito by the trees, by the flowers, and there are different kinds of oli there. They are alubito by the flower. When they see, they understand them, they think they welcome there to arise these conditions, they welcome there. When they appear there, they think they welcome there to arrange this situation.